LinkIT, dynamically link GIS features to unstructured documents. LinkIT is an extension for ArcGIS Desktop, ArcGIS Pro, and ArcGIS Server developed by Tessellations that searches documents based on GIS features and attributes. This innovative tool uses information in the feature classes to find and retrieve those documents that are cataloged in a data management system or in unstructured file shares. Using your map interface, you can find documents that are important to your spatial assets. Let's check it out. Here we have Buildings feature class shown in yellow, and I'd like to discover any documents related to these buildings. I'll open the LinkIT tab and select the Find Documents in Selected Areas to allow me to select this building here. I'll quickly see the results appear and can see that an image has been found. This image was found because the file name matches that of the configured attribute value for this building, which is the Woodlands Mall. I can double click and open the image right here from the map. Let's take a look at the results when we search the parks, which are shown here on the map in green. I'll use the Find Documents in Current Extent to search for any documents related to these parks. Based on the results, a PDF document was found for one of the parks. I can right-click and select Flash to quickly tell me which park this document pertains to. You'll notice that in this case, the file name is not the same as the park name, which is the configured attribute for this feature class. Rather, if we open the document, we can see that this is a notice from the Montgomery County Sheriff's Department, and if we scroll down a bit, we can see that this report references the park by name, North Shore Park. The LinkIT indexing has the ability to not only crawl through directories and identify file names, but it can also open and search for words or phrases configured within the extension. In another scenario, we can use the LinkIT tool to identify any related documents for parcels in a nearby neighborhood. I'll use the Find Documents in Selected Area to select these green parcels and immediately see the results returned based on the matching R number values configured for these features. However, if I select one of these blue parcels, no results are returned. This is an important note to make, because while these parcels may not have related documents now, there may be new documents created for them in the near future. LinkIT has the ability to allow you to configure and schedule an update to keep the indexes built constantly refreshed. To see what I mean, let's look at an example. Here I have the directory with those PDF reports we saw for those two parcels that I selected earlier. In another folder, there are quite a few more reports that I want to add to the main directory. The scenario here is that these reports were just delivered or completed and need to be parked in the final directory. As the directory for these reports constantly grows with new reports, we'll need to keep our LinkIT index up to date. That is done behind the scenes using Task Scheduler, and once I copy these reports to the final directory, they will be available to view from within our map in a matter of seconds. Let's go ahead and copy those over. Now when I select one of the blue parcels, there is a report available. These are only a few examples that highlight just how powerful LinkIT can be. Under the hood, there are a number of ways that LinkIT can be configured to seamlessly work with your data. For more information about LinkIT, or to schedule a full demo, please contact us by filling out the form at the bottom of this page. We look forward to meeting with you.